Hey there, fasting enthusiasts! Welcome back to Happy Fasting Fun. I'm your Kate, and today we're delving into a topic that's been causing a buzz lately: the potential link between intermittent fasting and hair loss. As we journey through the fascinating world of fasting, it's crucial to understand its impact on every aspect of our well-being. So, let's settle in and unravel the mystery behind this intriguing connection. Understanding intermittent fasting. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's refresh our understanding of intermittent fasting. It's an eating pattern that alternates between fasting and eating windows, with the aim of reaping various health benefits. While intermittent fasting has gained popularity for its positive effects on weight management and metabolic health, some have raised concerns about its potential impact on hair health. The complex world of hair growth. Now, let's talk hair. Hair growth is a complex process influenced by a multitude of factors: genetics, hormones, diet, and overall health. Each hair follicle goes through cycles of growth, rest, and shedding. A certain amount of hair loss each day is normal, but noticeable hair loss can understandably raise worries. Caloric restriction and nutrient deficiencies. One potential explanation for hair loss during intermittent fasting revolves around caloric restriction. Drastic reductions in calorie intake may lead to nutrient deficiencies affecting hair health. Vital nutrients like biotin, zinc, iron, and protein are essential for strong, luscious hair. If your fasting regimen isn't prioritizing a well-balanced diet, it could potentially impact your hair's vibrancy. Stress and hormonal influence. Stress, another factor that can contribute to hair loss, can also come into play during intermittent fasting. Especially if not approached mindfully, fasting can induce stress on the body. Elevated stress levels can disrupt hormone balance, potentially leading to hair shedding. This emphasizes the importance of managing stress through relaxation techniques, exercise, and proper sleep. Finding your balance. The key to addressing potential hair loss while fasting lies in finding your own balance. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods during your eating windows to ensure you're providing your body and your hair with the essential vitamins and minerals they need. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can help you design a fasting plan that supports both your overall health and your hair health. Supplements and hair care practices. For those concerned about hair loss, incorporating hair supportive supplements and practices could prove beneficial. Biotin supplements, renowned for promoting hair growth, might be worth considering. Furthermore, adopting gentle hair care practices, such as avoiding harsh chemicals and minimizing heat styling, can contribute to maintaining healthy locks. Conclusion. So, dear fasting friends, that wraps up our exploration of the potential connection between intermittent fasting and hair loss. It's important to remember that individual responses vary, and not everyone experiences hair loss as a result of fasting. By focusing on a nutrient-rich diet, managing stress, and seeking professional guidance, you can continue your fasting journey while taking steps to support your hair's well-being. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell to stay updated on all things fasting. As we navigate the intricate web of intermittent fasting, let's remain curious, informed, and dedicated to optimizing our well-rounded health. Until next time, happy fasting, and remember, healthy hair and a healthy lifestyle go hand in hand.